Okay, so uh, currently you might be in a dilemma that how these advertising budgets are decided. What are the methods by which the company allocates the advertisement budget? So let me welcome you to the new session, that is Introduction to Advertising Budgets. Concept of value of objectives. There are some value of objectives which are explained as below. First is communication. Second, planning and decision making. Third, measurement and evaluation of results. Marketing objectives. Marketing objectives are generally stated in the firm's marketing plan and are statements of what is to be accomplished by the overall marketing program within a given time period. Marketing objectives are usually defined in terms of specific measurable outcomes such as sales volume, market share, profits, and return on investment. IMC objectives. They are statements of what aspects of the IMC program will accomplish. They should be based on particular communication tasks required to deliver the appropriate messages to the target audience. What influences sales? So, sales is influenced by the change in technology, the change in economic situation, like it can be depression, recession, inflation, the quality of the product, the price of the product if changed, the distribution strategy if changed by the company, the advertisement and promotion changed by the company, and the level of competition into the market influences sales. Carryover effect of advertising. Carryover effect of advertising and to help determine the long-term effect of advertising on sales. Inside out planning. It focuses on what the marketer wants to say, when the marketer wants to say, and about things the marketer believes are important about his or her brand and in the media forms the marketer wants to use. Outside in planning. An outside in strategy begins with research to understand the orientation of the market to what an organization wishes to appeal. This forces a business to view the market from a consumer's perspective and create a product or service that's value is evident. Zero based communication planning. What tasks need to be done and what marketing communication functions should be used to what extent. This approach focuses on the tasks to be done and search for the best ideas and media to accomplish it. So with this, the introduction to the advertising budget gets completed under integrated marketing communication sub